Hey, I just wanted to share this tool I wrote for myself. It's called Discobot. It's a coding agent manager. So it uses an existing coding agent like Claude Code, and I'll be adding support for other ones like OpenCode shortly. Basically, you can pick a workspace like an existing source. We're going to work on this disco example. Can you make the dance floor red? So you can go and start a coding session. When you do this, it creates VM parallel clone of the source. It's not a work tree, but it's an isolated thing. So I can run everything, my agent, freeform. It can do whatever the heck it wants. It doesn't have access to anything, secrets, or, it's designed to be safe and secure. But so I can go here and I can go and create like a new session doing the same thing and say, can I make the dance floor blue? So these run in parallel and they won't conflict with each other. But beyond just your normal coding things, it has built in a bunch of cool little features, like I can get to a running instance of the application. So this is actually an application. I said I want it to be red, and it made the dance floor red. This other one where I said make it blue, if I click here, this one's going to go. It's launching the application. That doesn't look blue. Oh, because it didn't actually. Stupid idiot. Make it blue. Just pick a blue. So I can do this in parallel. They spin up full environments of the application. I can interact with it. You can click like that and it will pop out there. I can see logs for the application. I can do a terminal here and type into the terminal. Or if you don't like the stupid web terminal, I can actually give you an SSH URL to this. And, more crap here. So you can see like the diff, like this is what was changed. I can click here and see all the changes, or I can click here and edit, but this of course sucks. It's just Monaco built in and I don't like this crap. So I like real IDEs. So you can click here and it's going to launch the IDE actually in the environment. So if I go and I look at the changes here, you can see this is what it just changed. So I can do this fully in parallel, like this Z instance is connected to this session, which is not this one here. Yep, made that one blue. And then when everything is all done and I'm happy with the changes, like, gee, I really like blue, I just click commit. And this fires off basically just a prompt. And this is going to go and create a commit for me. It does that all inside of the sandbox. But the sandbox doesn't have access to actually go back to the host. So once it's done creating the commit, so you can see it's doing that. Once that's done creating the commit, Discobot will pick up the commit and commit it back to the workspace. And so that's how I've been working. You can see basically this is Discobot itself. I use Discobot to develop Discobot. Basically, I just create every little session kind of like an issue. I don't put a lot of thought into things. I just say, hey, can you do this for me? And I just converse with AI, and that's it. So that's Discobot in a nutshell. Is that the right word? So you can see that was committed. Get the little checkbox. That means it was committed back. And that's how I've been vibe coding for the last month. And I freaking love it. Anyways, bye.